What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got another ride-in review for you today. I'm going to a brand new smash burger joint called Crazy Burger. There is now officially an absolute shitload of smash burger joints here in the Lower East Side and in all of New York City. Like, to be honest, there's a lot. It's almost getting played out. And I gotta say, I think the best one is really Gotham Burger Social Club. My buddy Mike Puma, he just opened his brick and mortar a couple months ago. It's crushing. Burgers are fantastic there. This guy take any longer to get in turn? Yeah, I love that one. This one, Crazy Burger, is I mean, it's obviously geared towards a more budget-friendly crowd. So I think a single is like $6.50 and a double is like $3 more. The menu's like super limited. It's just burgers, fries, and then they got like fries topped with ground meat and sauce and cheese and all that. So super basic. This joint is over on Avenue C and like 12th Street. So I'm just heading up there right now. I'm meeting the cake dealer. We're gonna grab a quick bite. I got the Chimera out. I'm just ripping it. A little bit of news for you guys. The Shadow Chimera dropped earlier this week, and they're moving, they're selling. And I noticed some of you guys use my code, so that's good. Save yourself 150 bucks. Use code Johnny Prime if you want to buy one. It's a great time to buy because you're going to lock in on you know, cheaper, discounted prices, almost like crowdfunding, like when he first launched the original titanium version. So get on it. It's $28.90 and then minus $150 with my code to save yourself on the shipping, which is, I think, going to be like $150. Yeah, don't worry about me. These people just don't even look. So yeah, I'm excited to see these things hit the streets. They're going to be a lot of fun. 45 pounds, black steel, nice and rugged. Take this left here on 10th. There's a lot of salt on the roads, if you haven't noticed, because we had a little snowstorm yesterday, but it cleared up quickly. Everything melted out. It's real cold now, but it definitely all melted out. It's windy today, real windy. Man, this clamp that I have really sucks. The balls on the joints have like these little rubber rings around them, so the balls look like I don't know, like the planet Saturn or something, and they don't stay tightly grabbed, and they really suck. So I just ordered some new ones. All right, here's Crazy Burger pulling up. And I'll see you guys on the inside. Ready? Go for it. Go for it. Ooh, there it is. Show us that burger. All right, let's see the fries. All right. Like that crispy batter on it, right? Yeah, I like those fries. Tastes like a White Castle meets a Big Mac. It's really good. What do you think? Yes? All right, Crazy Burger's in the books. It was exactly as I expected. The patty wasn't really too crispy. You know, like a smash burger usually has a super crispy patty. This one was more, you know, just like almost like a White Castle. Not steamed per se, but, you know, cooked regular. Not like super crisp. Guess I'll keep going straight. Good sauce on it. The diced onions were steamed, so it kind of tasted like, you probably heard me say it, it tasted like a White Castle burger mixed with a Big Mac. And that's the way 7th Street Burger is too. If you've ever had 7th Street Burger, it's very similar. So for the price, this is a winner. It's great. There's a lot of competition in the area, so if you could set yourself apart on price and still have like a good quality like this one was, then it's going to be a success. I think they're going to be successful. So happy to see them in the area. Make sure you jump out to my website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for the full write-up, the full review, all the pictures, everything. johnnyprimesteaks.com, your resource for everything food related in this awesome city we live in. As always, make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.